Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this session we are going to discuss about the addition in Vedic maths. In previous session I have already explained about the addition table and carry and non-carry combination concept. You can go through this video which is given in the below link. Now let's revise some fundamental. I have already explained you about the carry and non-carry combinations. Now let's discuss what is carry combination and what is non-carry combination. Let us take one pair of two digits 7 plus 2 which is equals to 9. This number does not have any carry. Answer does not have any carry. So we can say this is non-carry combination. But let's take one another pair and add it. 7 plus 5 which is equals to 12. But in Vedic maths we used to remember only the digit which is at the unit place. It means we will remember only 2 and we will keep this one in mind. This one is a carry. So we can say it is carry combinations. Hope this is cleared. It means whenever we add two numbers. Let's see more examples. 2 plus 3, 5 which is non-carry combinations. 6 plus 4 which is equals to 10, but we will write only 0. This is carry combination. We need to keep one in our mind. First of all, we will discuss about the 2 digits addition, then we will go to the 3 digit additions. Let us consider numbers, that is 27 plus 42. In Vedic maths, we need to do addition from the left hand side. In our traditional maths, we used to start addition from the right hand side, but here we will start from the left hand side. So 2 plus 4 which is equals to 6, it is non-carry combination. 7 plus 2 which is equals to 9, it is also non-carry combination. So answer is 69. Now let's take one another example. 738 plus 24. We need to do addition. We need to start from the left hand side. 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5. Now 8 plus 4 is 12, but as I said earlier, we will write only 2 which is at the unit place. We need to keep one in the mind, but where this one go? This one is added in this 5, so instead of 5 we will write 6. So whenever we start addition, we need to take care about the next pair. We need to look at the next pair whether it is carry combination or non-carry combination. It means if it is 38 plus 24, so now 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5, but look at the next pair. It is 8 and 4 which is carry combination. So instead of 5 we will directly write 6, and 8 plus 4 is 12, so we will write 2. So actual answer is 62. So in Vedic maths we need to take care about the next pair whenever we do addition. Let us consider one more example. 64 plus 23. Now 6 plus 2 is 8. Now look at the next pair. 4 and 3 which is 7. Addition is 7. It is non-carry combination. So we can write 6 plus 2 8 directly, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So we do not need to add any number in this 8. 54 plus 39. 5 plus 3 is 8, right? But let's have a look at the next pair. 4 and 9, that is 13, so it is carry combinations. So here instead of 8 we need to write 9, and 4 plus 9 is 13, so we need to write 3. So answer is 93. Hope this 2-digit addition is clear in your mind. Now let's move to the 3-digit addition. Let's consider numbers as 352 plus 429. We need to start from the left hand side. So 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7, right? But look at the next pair. Next pair is a 5 and 2. It is non-carry combination. So we can keep 7 as it is, no change. 5 plus 2 is 7. But look at the next pair. It is 2 and 9, which is carry combination. So 5 plus 2 is 7. But instead of 7 we need to write 8, because this next pair is a carry combination. And 2 plus 9, which is 11, so we need to write 1. So actual answer is 7, 8, 1. 4, 3, 7 plus 2, 8, 4. Now 4 plus 2, which is equals to 6. But what about next pair? 8 and 3, that is 11. It means it is carry combination, right? So instead of 6 we need to write 7. Now 3 plus 8 is 11. So I am going to write 1. What about the next pair? Next pair is a 7 and 4, which is carry combination. It means instead of 1 we need to write 2, because next pair is a carry combination. And 7 plus 4 is 11. It means we are going to write 1. So answer is 721. Hope you have understand it. Let's consider one more example. 576 plus 4, 6 and 9. See, 5 plus 4, which is 9. But look at the next pair, 7 and 6, which is a carry combination, right? So we need to add one number over here. If we add 1 in the 9, we should write 10. It is just beginning, so we won't write only 0. We will write entire 10. Keep this in mind. Whenever we write addition of the first digit, we need to write the entire number, because we cannot forward this carry to the any another number. 7 plus 6, which is equals to 13. So we should write 3. But look at the next pair. Next pair is a carry combination. So instead of 3 we need to write 4. And 6 plus 9, which is equals to 15. So we need to write this 5. So actual answer is 1045. Hope you have understand this addition of the 3 digits and 2 digits in Vedic maths. Hope you have enjoyed this session. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.